This is DJI Mini 3 Pro, and today I'll show how you can adjust the camera sharpness and noise reduction values on this device. So first you will need to launch the DJI Fly app either on your controller or on your phone, then go into the flying interface. Here tap at these three horizontal dots, thus launch in settings, next enter the camera preferences. Scroll down, find the style section, then unfold or expand it, and here is the bar that allows you to change your video sharpness, and the bar that allows you to increase the severity of the noise reduction filter, or increase or decrease respectively. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.